Okay, I am back after being gone for a couple of weeks with no videos, but been working on figuring out a spare tank for this M37, and I came up with the idea of using one of the military jerry cans for it. And well, here's your little doggy. He's down here. What are you doing, Chubbs? Come here. Come here. Come on. There he goes. Say hi. Say hi. Alright. Anyhow, came up with the idea using a 5-gallon jerry can, the military type, not the brand new ones, because I got a new one to transfer the fuel from the other tank I had, other jerry can I'd saved. And what you need is one of these. Oop, get it open here. Okay. What you need is one of these. This is a bulkhead fitting. So you drill a hole on the bottom of the jerry can, off to one side, whatever, and then you put this in, and it's a little tricky getting the other nut on, but it does work. Figured it out. And you can do it any bunch of different ways. But yeah, so that goes in from the front, and then inside you go ahead and you'll lock that down. So, or just hold on to it really. All you gotta do is really hold on to that. You just need a long, probably a long ratchet or something, or a hook to a socket. Not a socket, but probably an open end wrench or something. And just hold on to it there, and you just tighten the front down, and it has these gaskets that come with it, either neoprene or rubber or whatever they are. You don't know what material that is. So it'll seal it off really well. And then what you do is you get a valve. It's see, 1/2 inch outside diameter, 1/4 inch inside diameter. So it's a 1/2 inch. And you screw it in here. Actually, you can buy this stuff on Amazon. It's really cheap. I think the whole thing together with this one and the other valve was like 20 bucks. And you got more than one of them actually. So, yeah, so that works. And you go ahead and hook your tool line up to it and you're all set. So, let's see. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the finished product looks like. Oh, okay, get down. There you go. Chase your tail, that's it. Okay, so here is what we have. And there's the can. Just have to go ahead and make a bracket to hold it in place. But other than that, there it is. That's all it is. And here's the valve. Open it up and close it, no problem. And you can see it just screws right in there. And it's nice and solid, and you have it has like a barb fitting come out here, and you just screw that in there, or just plug it in there, and use your little hose clamp, and that's it. You're done. And then the other end of this goes to one side of my fuel filter, so that when you turn on the pump, that's all you're going to do. You're going to suck gas out of here. It's going to gravity feed down and won't be a problem at all as far as getting fuel to the engine up in front. So yeah, it's a pretty simple idea to get yourself a spare gas tank, 5-gallon for this, especially for this one, because this one gets about 6 miles per gallon. So 5 gallons, you can go about 30 miles. So with this thing here, You see, it can't be registered as a daily driver in Nevada anyway. Especially around here, I guess somebody some time ago when we had Democratic governor in there, he went ahead and signed this other thing into law. The military vehicle was not considered safe to be on the road daily. So what they have done is they made this so that it would be a parade vehicle or off-road. Won't be allowed really on the city streets other than for a parade or maybe a car show, something like that. But so it's good enough for that to get around. But like I said, this is basically a toy. I've got 3 other daily drivers I switch from one day to the next, so this is not a big deal. It's just something to play with. So anyhow, there you are, and that's how it goes in, and it's in very good shape. And I got a dog that's barking again, barking at the garbage man probably. So anyhow, yep, that's gonna be it. I just wanted to show you that. See you guys later.